Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohar. And if I ever want to see a pro image, I just look in the mirror because I am the party monster. Back in the house of monster, back out with a brand new video. And in today's video, I got a very special, very impromptu mystery unboxing for you guys today. This one's actually sitting at my doorstep. I actually noticed it as I was headed to work today, and yeah, your boy's curiosity have just been running rapid all day. Honestly, I have no idea where this particular pickup could have came from. I did look at like the address and everything, and nothing rang a bell. So we're gonna honestly be surprised together. I'm super excited, and I definitely needed something to kind of take my mind off today because I don't know, it was just a rough one. Like, I've been working for like 3 weeks now, and today was payday, but I didn't get a check, and it definitely bummed me out because I had so many plans for this week. I'm off tomorrow, so I was gonna go get a haircut, watch the fight, enjoy life. But yeah, that plan definitely got shot down. But it is what it is. There's always next week, and yeah. So anyway, your boy is just coming off of the Moonrise Fest last week. It was a fun time. If you guys haven't checked out that vlog yet, definitely do it. And if you guys are new to the Monster Club, hit that subscribe button. Join the Monster Club. Road to 1,000 subscribers starts right here, right now. And yeah, you guys have been killing with the subscribes and everything. So let's keep up that good work and whatnot. And yeah, other than that, your boy's wearing his new Candy I Heart Bria on one side and Fuck Faith on the other. And again, we are going into the Faith No More tour next year. It's going to be a blast, and definitely working on some new surprises and everything. So that's going to be a really dope time, and yeah. So anyway, honestly, like I said, I have no idea where this came from. Like, it could be from Beatbox, could be from my doctors also, or it could be something that's neither of the two. So yeah, I'm just really curious to see what it is. But anyway, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, guys, for those that are curious, my next stop is going to be Lost Land next month. Should be a dope time. Definitely looking forward to it. I've never been to one, so your boy is definitely be out there vlogging. If you guys enjoyed the Moonrise one, just expect a lot of the same in the Lost Land one. Again, it's in Ohio, so it should be a really dope time. And yes, I got my box cutter. And I'm not gonna lie, this box is definitely heavy as shit. I can only imagine what's inside of it and everything. And yeah, so we're gonna get right into it. And I'm just really stoked because I didn't pay a penny for it. So it's a win nonetheless. And yeah, for those that are just even more curious, your boy is super broke right now. Not gonna lie, I haven't seen a paycheck in literally 70 days, which is insane. But your boy is working, and I expect a lot of great things to come. I'm definitely staying positive because I know, yeah, things are it can only get better at this point. But anyway, I got this box. I'm gonna try not to cut myself. And yeah, it is definitely a tough one to open. And I have no idea what's inside this box. And it's definitely taped down really well. Oh, okay. I think I know what it is. Okay. Oh, wow. They actually sent me one of them. That's dope. Thank you, Beatbox. You're awesome. Beatbox, the big bag is back. 2x5 cocktail, same great taste, 6 times the size, 3 liters. So slight spoiler. Okay. This couldn't have came at a better time. Like, your boy is hyped for this one. Oh, check it out. Boom, look at it. Like, just to not BS you guys, because I do love Beatbox. Like, y'all saw a lot of Beatbox in the last video. Here's a normal size Beatbox. This is actually what I drank earlier. And this is the 3 liter. Like, boom. That's awesome. Like, this just made my whole day for real. Like, I really do appreciate it. Again, try it. Frozen, the big party pack. Get that thumbnail right quick. Oh, this is so cool. Like, let me set that down for like 2 seconds. Like, I think they sent on notes too, but well, no, that's just more packaging. Yeah, that's just really cool. Like, I really do appreciate them and for that one. And yeah, again, drink beatbox. If you're legal age, please don't sue the boy. Like, it's really awesome. I'm a huge fan, and that's really cool that they have like one of my favorite flavors and everything. And I know they have the blue raz as well. So again, thank you so much. Like, this is really like awesome, and I do appreciate it. Okay, guys, it was only fitting I threw these things on because, again, your boy loves himself some beatbox. I'm so happy they sent the big bag here, 3 liters of pure Party Punch goodness. Again, it is definitely one of my favorite flavors, the Party Punch, and yeah, I cannot be more thankful for Beatbox for sending this and everything and blessing your boy. And yeah, so that's gonna do it for this video. But thank you guys so much for checking me out and hanging out. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend, and more importantly, you guys can follow me on Instagram at PartyMonster05 and on Twitter at PartyMonster1 or X, whatever the hell they call it now. But other than that, until the next video, remember, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.